Is this all squirrels do is eat all day? And I'm sitting on my couch, and this squirrel come here and just eat all day. How long you think squirrels eat? Somebody put down in the comments. You think they eat for an hour a day, or just they just eat till they full? And they be scared in the mud when they eat, but when you walk up on them, where I live at, they just look at you. It's so creepy and weird. Now, when I was in the ghetto, when you come outside, the squirrels run. Now they look at you like you on their turf or something. My fault. Where did the squirrel go? Oh, it was almost a look. I thought a bird flew down and snatched him. Oh, I want to get that on tape when a bird come down us, because it be hawks over here too. They live in the front, in that big old tree in the front. Some hawks, or whatever the bird is. He must have ran out of nuts in that spot. Look at he be digging like a mug, don't he? That tree must, something must fall from that tree because they be there every day. The birds and the ducks and the ducks just eat right there. Look, I bought this RC car right here so I can. I ain't gonna tell you what I do with it. I'm gonna give me a boat so I can put it out there in the water. Look at him, man. He just be digging and digging. He be out there every day. This intrigues me.